everyone, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and I have quite a few items to share with you today. The new MFT, the new HoneyBee, and some restock of Whimsy. I did restock the Slimline dies, and I do have one new stamp set to share. So there's limited quantities on these products here, and I will start with the MFT, and I'll start with my free with 60. So there's these new stencils that they came out with. There's 3 of them. An oval, a square, and a rectangle. And the rectangle is your free with 60. You'll see this one pop into your cart once your order qualifies. And if it doesn't pop into your cart, please put it in your comments box that you would like the rectangle extraordinaire stencil, and I will send that to you. Now if you're placing a HoneyBee order and you rather have the gem stickers, leave that in your comments box and I will switch that out for you. It's the Birthday Bash gem stickers. There's a new paper pad, all wood grain, so that's really nice. Different colors there. Now, gnomes. I love gnomes, and they have a new gnome house to go with their little birdie brown gnomes. And this is really cute. So you put all the parts together and make a really cute gnome house. We've got the Hanging with My Gnomies by Birdie Brown, and it's one of those large stamp sets. So let's compare it to a regular size 4x6 stamp set, so you can see the difference. So you got all the cute little gnomes there, some mushrooms, a little gnome house just like the die, and then there's a little worm and some flowers, some ladybugs, and then the sentiments read, there's no one like you, I'll always be my gnomie, my world is better with you in it, to gnome you is to love you, congratulations on your new home, from my gnome to yours, happy wonderful birthday wishes, there's no I love you no matter what. Super fun, and there is a coordinating die available as well. Sorry about that glare there. And then this one is also so darling. I love mushrooms, and this one has a very large mushroom with a little squirrel sleeping underneath it. And then there's a really cute turtle, and we got some smaller mushrooms there. A butterfly, a little mouse, carting some strawberries, some greenery, and a bird with a basket. And these sentiments read, you make every day life feel special. You always make me smile, have a relaxing day. I love doing life with you. I love lazy days in you. You always bring a smile to my face. And then there's a coordinating die for that one as well. And we've got a Happy Mother's Day stamp set. This one is called Mother's Day Bouquet. And then there's a coordinating die available for this one as well. I love the font on that. Happy Mother's Day, best mom ever. Happy birthday and best mom ever. We've got the hummingbirds and some scripty font on the sentiments there. Thinking of you, happy birthday. May your day be filled with love and joy, with sympathy, best wishes, thank you, and I'm sorry. And then we've got a good luck greetings. So you get your good luck. There's coordinating die that will cut out the good luck and then a shadow around it. And then you got your sentiments to pair up with the larger sentiment. I know how important this is to you. You were made for this. Enjoy the journey and everything along the way. They're lucky to have you. The world is yours. Go for it. I know you don't need it, but good luck. You'll be amazing. A small dandelion greenery set. totally awesome. And then I grabbed this one from Last Release, Sugar Coated Sentiments. I thought it would be perfect with my new digital stamps with the donuts and the cupcakes and all that. And then just really cute to add to your card. Hope today brings you sweet surprise. You deserve a cupcake. You're the cherry on top. Hello, cupcake. Happy birthday, sweet friend. Without you, I'm like an unfrosted cupcake. You decorate my life with love. You're the icing on my cupcake. Sweet birthday wishes. Have a totally delicious birthday. And then there's this little piece here that says, this card is sprinkled with love. So you can stamp that on the back of your card. So this is the Whimsy stamp that I grabbed. This is the Hippo Beach Fun stamp set. Super, super cute. There's a little octopus on top of the hippo there. So for HoneyBee, there's the gem stickers. I have a couple of these left. Spring Lullaby. This is really pretty paper pad. We've got the Mommy to Be. So 2 little bees with the baby. The mommy and the baby. Perfect for a baby shower card. I'm going to need that. So we've got the Farmhouse stamp add-on and the Farmhouse add-on die. So if you have the house builder, these are add-ons to that. So you could turn your house into a farmhouse. And then these little cute little accessories to decorate. So fun. I love that collection. And then there's a barn house builder. So we've got the barn scene builder, which is really cute. This one is the Farm Fresh Flowers. Stamp and die. I might only have one left. This is the Buffalo Plaid background stamp. Safari Babies and Woodland Babies. So perfect for baby showers, welcoming new baby. And then to go with that farmhouse builder and the barn builder, we've got some stencils. So this is the farmhouse builder stencil. So it's all labeled here. So this one's the window, door, porch beams, columns, flower pot, porch header, window grid. So you can put this right onto your piece and then ink blend and color in those areas. So you can get some nice shading that way. And this is the barn builder. And then the Buffalo Plaid builder. And then we have Way to Goat. And there's a die here. Perfect to add on to your little barn scene. You are the goat, greatest of all time. Wait to goat, I've goat, you're back, and you go goat this. Hey there, and then kid. And then spring bouquet. This one's really cute. It's called Happy Bee Day. You get a lot of images in here. And you get these little trees. There's a banner. The little bees flying around. And then your little woodland critters. There's a little cake. Looks like a fun stamp set. And then the Whimsy Slimline dies. Those are restocked. This is the Windows die. You've got stitching on it. And then Slimline Waves die. Also with stitching. And these always sell out fast. So I'm actually able to share them in a video before they're sold out. And this one's got a wonky stitch. And then the Slimline postage die. So that's everything, guys. If you do spend $100 or more, you can use the Buy More, Save More program. which is the code SAVE10 for 10% off your order. Thank you guys, and I will talk to you real soon. Take care. Bye guys.